Today I am going to show you how to make classic Scottish shortbread. 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar, and we're going to just kind of mix this together, kind of cream it together, that butter and the sugar. Let's add in the flour. This is 1 cup of flour. So we're just going to come in here with a fork and just kind of mix this all together. We can just come in here with clean hands, or also wear gloves if you want. Like that, and there we go. And I'm just gonna take an equal amount and just kind of push this in here. I usually can get about 8 of this size and kind of press it down. Or you can use like a small cake spatula. And now come in with like a wooden skewer or a toothpick, and we're gonna poke holes all around in these. And then into the oven it goes, 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius. And we're gonna bake these for between 20 to 35 minutes until they're lightly golden brown. Just let them cool for 15 to 20 minutes. And then once the cookies have cooled, or the biscuits, I can just take them out of my molds here, and they will be fairly soft depending on how long you bake them. And they will firm up more as they cool completely. They're still slightly warm. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah. I'm gonna grab this one right here. So good.